To stay competitive, the European manufacturing industry needs to guarantee high-quality standards, reduce costs, and increase its productivity. Industry 4.0 solutions are the keys to success. That's why the European research project Improve has developed new tools for optimizing manufacturing processes. But how do they work? Our solutions record data from the physical factory of the future to translate it into the virtual factory of the future. In the virtual factory, our experts have developed new tools to react to current challenges. Our condition monitoring tool provides artificial intelligence-assisted detection of faults and wear and protects the producer from unexpected machine breakdowns. Our simulation and optimization solution simulates manufacturing processes to optimize them in the physical factory. The result? An overall improved production process. Our alarm management tool assists the operator in finding the root cause for an alarm flood and also in taking the right action. And our quality prediction tool helps the machine operator to predict the production quality by using data-driven models in a decision support app. Of course, all findings acquired in the virtual factory flow back into the physical factory, leading to improved production. As all tools facilitate machine operation for employees, improved solutions also provide an intuitive human-machine interface for the next generation of improved manufacturing.